Welcome children. Let's check out the sixth question of exercise 12.2. Now sixth question is combination of both. Here they have asked you to add the expressions and after that they are also telling you to subtract. It's so interesting. We are simply playing with algebraic expressions. Why we have to play now? Because we have understood the fact that there is no formula. Only thing is we have to get to the solution. We will reach the answer by sitting in this train, and in this train what do you have? Few steps, few boxes. Put the bracket, open the bracket, ALT, simplify, you will get the solution. Remember, let's move now. See, what is the question? The sixth question says, the first part we are doing, from the sum of. See children, from the sum of. That means this expression 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y and minus 11. See, whose sum you have to take? Sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y and minus 11. You take this sum. So when you add, suppose see here, when you add one number to the other, what you get? You get the result. This is what they are saying. You will add these two algebraic expressions. When you add, you will get a third expression, yes or no? This number plus the second number, the answer, is it going to be same? No. In this, you will get the third number, whether it is same or not, but that is the resultant, the third expression. So on adding these two with this number, see, subtract 3x minus y minus 11. Understood? Pehle you will take these two expressions, you add up. Then with the result, you subtract. Let's now start with our, we know now it's very easy. So we will write down first step. We will first do the first thing to subtract. We will sum up these two expressions, 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11. Adding means write down 3x minus y plus 11. Remove this and. Instead of and, what will come? A plus sign for addition. Minus 11. We will now open the bracket. See, no sign outside. Or if it would have been a plus sign. We will copy the terms and sign will be same. Otherwise also you want, I will show you. Plus, no sign means see. Plus sign. Plus, multiply means check for this. Plus, multiplied by plus. When you multiply same sign, you get a same sign, sorry, plus sign. Right, plus sign. Okay, now see for this one. Plus, moving inside the house, meeting minus. Plus into minus, difference in sign, answer is minus y. Again, plus, moving and meeting plus a. Moving the guest, plus a. Plus into plus, same sign when you multiply, you will get a plus sign. Plus 11. Same thing here. Let us see. What about the sign for the second one? Plus meeting minus y. But plus will meet minus. So plus into minus, difference in sign, multiply, copy the term. Now again, plus will meet minus 11. But plus will only meet minus. Multiplication of these two signs, different sign will give you a minus sign, negative sign. So see, we have opened the bracket. Put the bracket, open the bracket. What is left? Arranging it in like terms. Let us take first. And here like terms also I have given you one example. Relate this with your surname. So surname of our family members are same. Take the same thing. See, names get changed. Like Ananya Sharma, yes or no? Alia Sharma, or you take Bhavesh Sharma. So what happens? Names are different. Relate this name with the constant value or sign. Minus 4, minus, suppose this is minus 4x. X is surname and minus 4 is the name of the family member. Like this children you can correct. I am giving you such examples so that it remains in your mind. Keep this in your mind. So So arranging it in like terms. So we will take x family first. For x we have here 3x. Any other member here, another number term? No, we don't have any other family member of x here. Leave it. Move to y. Copy minus y. Check. Do you have any other family member with same surname? Yes, Mr. minus y is another one. Okay. Now what you have? You have here plus 11 and then you have minus 11. What will this become? It will become 0. They will cancel each other. Yes, plus 5 minus 4 counter each other. So now here we will simplify. See, now what we are doing? In this step we have arranged it in like term. In the next step what we are doing? We are simplifying. For that we have cancelled plus 11 and minus 11. Here same sign. Coefficient is 1. So same sign, add 1 plus 1, 2 and put same sign, put minus sign. So this will be minus 2y and 3x. What is this? This is the result or the outcome after adding these two. What we have got? Let me write down the result here. This is 3x minus 2y. Okay, fine. We got this much. So you will pause the video and you will solve. Now I will wrap this part. Now move to the second part. What was the question, children? From the sum of, let me write down, see. From the sum of these two. Now instead of these two sums, expression, I will write down now this. From, because sum of these two expressions we got it as 3x minus 2y subtract 3x minus y minus 11. See, second part you got. Now see, Mr. From, the magician, its tail is pointing to this term. So this will remain in first position. So what will you do? 3x minus 2y. Subtract means minus and 3x minus y minus 11. Understood, children, what we have done? We have added the two expressions, we got the result. In the next step, after adding and getting the result, I have intentionally written this from. Pura you copy this from. But instead of this, from the sum of this, I am writing the result what I got here. I got 3x minus 2y. Understood? From, and this whole story I am removing. The whole story because I have added. So from the sum of, I am just putting this here. 3x minus 2y. Subtract this. So now you will move to the solution part. What will you do? See, brackets are already there. We start with the first step. Open the bracket. Plus sign means this will remain as it is. Plus into plus, plus 3x minus 2y. Now check minus multiplied by plus. Minus into plus, minus, write down 3x. Now minus will go to which member? To the second house. That is minus y. Minus into minus, plus y. And now again minus will go to this house and meet the third member, minus 11. So minus will meet only sign, minus into minus, plus 11. See, this was putting the bracket. Here we have opened the bracket. Now what we will do? We will arrange it in like terms. So I am writing on top, children, because I don't have idea. I can't understand whether the lower part of the board is visible to you. So I am writing it again. We got, after opening the bracket, 3x minus 2y minus 3x plus y plus 11 is what? Only this much. No, nothing. Equality is not given. Now, see, this was on opening the bracket. Now from here we will arrange it in like terms in the next step. So first check 3x family. X family, Mr. X family, yes, you have minus 3x. Cancel these two we have taken. Cancel that with pencil, children. Now let's take minus have one more term plus y. Okay, we have taken minus 2y and plus y. We are left with plus 11. So plus 11 also we have written. No number is left. This is why, children, these tips what I am giving you, please remember beta. In exam what happens, we are so much engrossed to write, give the paper, sometimes it slips our mind. We see the number, we assume we have written, or we see the number and we write down again. Sometimes we may miss, we may rewrite it again. That's why take a pencil, copy the number and put a cut. Okay, just one small cut with a pencil. Now let's check here, plus 3x and minus 3x, they will counter each other, they will fight, same, okay, same number with different sign, 0. Here you check, yes, here you have difference in sign. So when there is a difference in sign, law of addition says you subtract. So bigger number minus smaller, 2 minus 1, 1, write the variable. What about the sign? Which sign you will put? The number which is greater. Put greater number sign. Which number is greater? 2 is greater. 2 is having a minus sign, plus 11, and this is your answer. You can rearrange it. You can write down like this, minus y, because 1 is silent. Okay, like plus sign is silent, invisible. Minus y plus 11, or write the positive number first, 11 minus 1. Both the answers are correct. Okay, so this is the solution to this question. Please copy the solution, and before copying, what will you do? You make it sure that you have understood the concept well. God bless you, children.